Hi, Cris. I'm Guava, and we're in behind the scenes at Playhouse. Disney refused to see Inside Out 2 and gets grounded.
First up is, we're filming Valero gas station, so Playhouse Disney needs to use to toilet, but she hasn't gone go to toilet before we've got seeing Inside Out 2.
Next up is McDonald's. Since she's been 15 minutes ago, she's haven't choose what does she wants to get yet. Because the manager was upset to her, so was King and Queen, and we've seen the Red Apple was upset himself, while Playhouse Disney still hasn't choosing yet.
Now, Playhouse Disney choosing Big Mac and cheeseburger and Sprite. Wow! It's been we're at McDonald's about 15 minutes.
And then went to Target, and Playhouse Disney decided to have balls of Barbies. And King said no, cause he didn't ask her about Barbies, that's all she wanted.
And then finally, since I missed that movie Inside Out 2, I feel sad. Because my eyes has been gone to tears and start to cry.
Hey guys, thanks very much for watching the behind the scenes of Playhouse Disney refused to see Inside Out 2. It's between 2024. It's been passed already. So, if DVD Inside Out 2 will be coming soon, it's gonna be so exciting! And I appreciate you all, I appreciate you all. So I will see you the next behind the scenes of Dhar Mann Remake. See you later. I hope you enjoyed the season 5. The brand new season will be coming up soon.